Dhakulkar. He worked at Khosla Engineering Industry. Khosla Engineering Industry as a product supervisor. I have two children. My son Om Dhakulkar, who is national Kho-Kho player and studying CS first year, and my daughter Asta Dhakulkar, who is good in study and love dancing. My birthplace is Nagpur. My hobbies are listening music, motivational and spiritual videos. I also love traveling to historical places. I am interested to know more about digital marketing and also interested in beauty culture. I am financial planner and insurance advisor from last 6 years. I am specialized in wealth management services and insurance consultancy services for all types of insurances like pension plan, term plan, health plan, etc. I have worked at Nehru College, a beauty culture and computer teacher at Mahatma Phule Jyotiba Mahatma Phule School in Pune. I am BA graduated. I have done diploma in beauty culture and advanced diploma in software package. I can motivate, convince my clients on a right way regarding their future. I am grateful to connected with Sampark. I also connected with Winner Team, LIC India, Spiritual Group of Peace of Mind. I also connected with Aditya Birla Group of Health Insurance. In this financial year, I have to achieve MDRT tag and to provide financial security to maximum number of family in this year. I have been honored by Best Faculty Award at Nehru College in 2012. I also honored as the Best LIC Advisor to give a most number of policies in a week in 2015. My best customers are youth who are planning for regular income after they stop working, people who are concerned about their health and wealth, businessmen with high income and wants their future to be financially secured. Refer type that works well for me are the people who are facing financial difficulties in their daily life, who earn taxable income and wants to save his capital, people who are concerned about their world's future and wants their healthy life secured. My complementing business partners, doctors, teachers, engineers, employers and employees, etc. I like to have businessmen, government servants, private workers to be my customers. My memory hook is we invest in your dreams. Thank you. Thank you, Sampark.